How to do intermittent fasting, simple daily routine. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Wellness Zone with Farm Joe. If you've ever thought about trying intermittent fasting but the instructions sounded like rocket science, don't worry, in today's video, I'll show you the simplest and most realistic daily routine for the 16/8 fasting schedule. No starvation, no confusion, just a simple plan that fits into real life. Let's jump right into it. 7:00 a.m. Wake up. You open your eyes, stretch a little, maybe talk yourself out of going back to sleep. We've all been there. Intermittent fasting does not mean skipping water in the morning. You're fasting from calories, not hydration. Drink water. Don't eat yet. Hydration helps your body wake up, boosts metabolism, and reduces morning cravings. 8:00 a.m. Lemon water. This step is optional but highly recommended. Add lemon to warm or room temperature water. Lemon water helps digestion, supports your liver, and keeps you from craving sugary breakfast foods. And please, I repeat, don't drink lemon juice like you're taking shots at a nightclub. Dilute it, your teeth will thank you. 10:00 a.m. Coffee or tea, without sugar or cream. This is where a lot of people mess up fasting. Black coffee. Plain tea. Sugar, cream, Milo milk, and just a little biscuit. Your body doesn't care if it was just a little. Calories are calories. Caffeine during fasting helps increase fat burning, reduces hunger, and keeps you alert. If you can't drink your coffee black, no problem, just hold on until your eating window opens. 12:00 p.m. First meal lunch. Your eating window opens 12 p.m. 8 p.m. This first meal should be high in protein: eggs, chicken, beans, Greek yogurt. High in fiber: vegetables, oats, quinoa, fruits. Healthy fats: avocado, olive oil, nuts. Don't break your fast with junk. If your first meal is a giant bowl of fries, well, congratulations, you just worked against everything you've been fasting for. Example first meal idea. Grilled chicken plus vegetables plus avocado. Or a bowl of oats plus Greek yogurt plus fruits. 3:00 p.m. Healthy snack. This is not the time for soda or sugary snacks. Juice. Nuts. Fruit: berries, apples, oranges. Greek yogurt. Smoothie with chia seeds or flaxseed. You're giving your body energy without crashing your blood sugar. Remember, snacks are not meals. Eating like it's Christmas lunch at 3 p.m. will break your progress. 6:00 p.m. Dinner. This should be your last proper meal. Keep it balanced. Protein. Vegetables. Whole grains. Reduce heavy carbs at night. Your body doesn't need excess calories just to go lie down and dream about your ex. 7:00 p.m. Start fasting. At this point, your eating window closes. If you feel hungry, drink water or herbal tea. Sometimes when you think you're hungry, you're just bored. Your body now starts using stored fat for energy instead of the food you just ate. This is where the magic happens. 8:00 p.m. Water. Just keep sipping water throughout the evening. Hydration reduces cravings, improves sleep, and keeps your organs happy. And please do not sneak into the kitchen for just one cracker. Your body, we're burning fat. You at 11 p.m. opens fridge. Your progress: I pick struggle. What to expect after a few weeks. Less bloating. Better digestion. Improved mental clarity. Steady weight loss. Better relationship with food. Intermittent fasting isn't just about eating less. It's about eating with intention. Who should not do intermittent fasting? 1. Pregnant or breastfeeding women. 2. People with diabetes or blood sugar disorders. 3. Anyone taking medication that requires food. Always talk with your doctor if you have underlying medical conditions. Benefits of intermittent fasting. Burn stored fat. Helps regulate insulin. Reduces inflammation. Boosts metabolism. Simplifies your day, fewer meals to plan. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share it with someone who needs a simple fasting plan. This is the Wellness Zone with Farm Joe, helping you build a healthier life one habit at a time. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional